Before I start this video, I want to educate you younglings on what a Sigma male actually is. Basically, the Sigma male term is the new kid on the block. Sigma male as a whole is very new. But a quick definition for the Sigma male is basically the modern day Alexander the Great. Hopefully I made that part easier for you. But now here's the juicy part. Becoming a Sigma male. You see, becoming a Sigma male is easy. But the difficult part of becoming a Sigma male is the consistency. Let me ask you this. Are you willing to meditate every day? Are you ready to ignore all females who come your way? This is how you transform into a Sigma male in 2023. Number 1, meditation. Meditation clears the mind. Clear mind equals clear soul. Meditation is a crucial part into becoming a Sigma male. Do this every morning. Number 2, combat training. I don't care who you are, but if you claim to be a Sigma male and don't know how to fight, you are a fraud. Get yourself into a 3v1 street fight, and then I'll be impressed. Number 3, drink lime cucumber Gatorade. Lime cucumber Gatorade gives you an extra boost. Wakes the brain up. Once that Gatorade's in your system, it will prepare you for everything and anything. Drinking 2 bottles a week of this stuff is killer. And finally, number 4, avoid any sort of contact from women. This is also a crucial part into manifesting the Sigma male persona. Don't look at them. Don't touch them. Imagine they don't exist. Women are a distraction. They're the flu, a drug. I guarantee you, if you apply these rules every day for at least a week, you will become a Sigma male. You will see yourself more valuable. You will see a different human being. Your name won't be Tim anymore. You'll be called Timothy. You will be a super soldier prepared for any type of war. You will have the mind of Patrick Bateman. But like I said before, can you do this every day for the rest of your life? Will you meditate every morning? Will you do your combat training every day? Will you drink 2 bottles of lime cucumber Gatorade once a week? Will you push yourself away from the opposite sex? These are things we need to consider if you want to attempt to do this. I already have that question answered for myself. But the question for you is, are you ready to become a Sigma male? My name is Yahin Zamali, and I'm out.